Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is out, and now we have enough information to talk about why you should buy Galaxy S23 Ultra, and here are the 5 reasons to go for S23 Ultra. The best part is, by the end of this video, you can decide. Before starting off, consider subscribing to the channel. Now there are a couple of issues with the S23 Ultra, and one among them is its battery life. It was way behind iPhone 14 Pro Max, and most of the people prefer getting iPhone 14 Pro Max over S22 Ultra just because of battery. But with the new S23 Ultra, Samsung did something unusual with the battery of the S23 Ultra, because we are getting almost the same amount of battery backup just like the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is the most from any Android smartphone you get, although it comes with the same capacity, 5000 mAh, but much better than the S22 Ultra. This could potentially be the reason for most people to go for the S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments what will be the reason for you to buy Galaxy S23 Ultra over iPhone 14 Pro Max or Galaxy S22 Ultra. To some people, this is a great addition, and to some this is just okay, the new 200 megapixel camera. Now the camera improved a lot compared to the S22 Ultra, where the zoom shot looks absolutely stunning, and the addition of new night mode will make it even better. Also, if you like recording portrait video, you now get a feature of 4K portrait video mode and 8K video at 30 FPS, so a lot of new features in cameras. Performance is something S22 Ultra was good enough, but S23 Ultra topped the performance chart with the Snapdragon Gen 2 overclock. And Samsung did something useful where they didn't put the exynos processor in the S23 Ultra. This could potentially be the reason for most of the people to go for the S23 Ultra. Also, the benchmarks on S23 Ultra matching the performance of iPhone 14 Pro Max, and in some cases, S23 Ultra has a better GPU than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is something we are not used to see on Android smartphone. You guys might know by this time that the Samsung changed the display curve on S23 Ultra. We get much flatter display on S23 Ultra, and they added a new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 in S23 Ultra. So the durability is much better, which can hold a drop on a harder surface, and even this feels better in the hand just because of its boxier design. On top of all, new features of One UI 5.1 makes it even better, where the animations on S23 Ultra are much better, kinda like iPhone 14 Pro Max, although the new lock screen features and one of the most important feature, light mode, which was first introduced with the Fold 4 and now it's here on S23 Ultra. So by using this feature, you can extend the battery life on the S23 Ultra. These could be the reason for you to buy Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you want to see the battery life of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.